Yep, today we are looking at the parts of the body. And if you're ready, let's get started. Head, head, head. Touch your head. Hair, hair, hair. Is your hair short or long? Ear, ear, ear. Touch your left ear. Eye, eye, eye. Close one eye. Nose, nose, nose. Touch your nose. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Open your mouth. Neck, neck, neck. Touch your neck. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Roll your right shoulder. Arm, arm, arm. Raise your arm. Hand, hand, hand. Shake your hand. Finger, finger, finger. Wiggle your finger. Leg, leg, leg. Shake your left leg. Foot, foot, foot. Touch your right foot. Toe, toe, toe. Touch your big toe. Review. Head, head. Hair, hair. Eye, eye. Nose, nose. Mouth, mouth. Ear, ear. Neck, neck. Shoulder, shoulder. Arm, arm. Finger, finger. Hand, hand. Leg, leg. Foot, foot. Toe, toe. That's it, everybody. See you later, alligator.